We're Bob and Angie at However the Wind Blows, and we're just taking a quick break from our Alaska travels to share with you this beautiful tag-along camper remodel. We hope you enjoy it. So today I get the privilege of sharing a beautiful camper remodel with you. So we have Richard and Jackie here with their Forest River Vibe 2017. Let's go in and take a look. This 2017 Forest River Vibe RV is quite spacious inside with 2 slides, one on either side. Morning.
Come in. Oh, no.
Morning, Jackie.
Good morning.
Oh, thank you for sharing your beautiful camper with us. Oh, look at this. Do you want to tell us a little bit about it?
So, I removed the dinette, as you can see, and put it over there and rearranged. I had a bigger island built. I have a huge pantry. I have a normal sized, apartment sized refrigerator. I built a drawer under the stove because there was an empty cubby hole there. And I built that for my extra utensils.
And so you've repainted all the trim?
Yes, I repainted everything, wallpapered. I still have a couple pieces of trim to put up, but
Beautiful. And you removed the valances that were in here?
I removed the valances. Also, there were cabinets up here
Oh,
that I removed.
wow.
Yeah. I have everything in that cabinet right there. I don't have much in those, but I got this long bench over here that you can see by the wall. And I have little storage bins underneath it.
Nice. So you have a bench for seating, so you've ample seating. You could sit
60 people.
Yeah,
Easy. Yeah.
6 people. Wow, it's beautiful. And I love, so originally the couch was here,
Yes.
and you moved it.
I had 2 recliners here. Well, we don't need 2 recliners, so
Yeah.
we just took that out.
And so this has a living room feel
Yes.
all in itself. You have your end table there, beautiful.
And this opens out into a queen size bed.
Nice. With the ottoman.
Yes,
That's
added that.
perfect. And the ottoman has storage.
Yes.
And your greenery just offsets everything. And then you have this beautiful surround of windows for viewing. You know, I think of this when we used to camp at the lake. And in our fifth wheel, we had similar windows.
Yes.
But you had the couch there, so you
Right.
had your back to the beautiful lake.
Exactly. We
And-
had different campers but we had one that did not have the big window, and we decided that's what we want. So,
Nice.
Because we want to see out, and I like light.
Yes.
I'm not a dark person.
Yeah.
So,
This gorgeous wallpaper, it just brightens everything up. Yeah, because these campers are often
after I
so
did
dark.
this wallpaper, I go online and do the crafty people, and one of the big ones has this in her dining room entryway.
Oh,
Yeah.
beautiful.
So I thought, I made a good choice.
Yeah.
Plus, I put these little fans up
Those are great.
because I need air.
Absolutely. And I love your backsplash. That is gorgeous.
That I did as well. Oh, and I built this I took the stove top off and built this little
Oh,
thing, whatever you call it.
nice. So you have extra,
Yes.
um,
Just decoration
Cabinet.
space. And I have
Yeah.
an oversized oven.
wonderful. Yeah, they're great.
And when I had this island built, I put a bigger sink in.
Ah, that's great. That's terrific. So you have residential size sink. That's wonderful.
I don't know if you want to explain. You need to explain this.
Yeah, so originally Jackie and Richard had a hallway here that went into their bedroom, but they decided they didn't need it because they
Yeah,
have
closet.
access to the bathroom here, but she needed a closet instead. So this is what she came up with.
I just moved the door from back there out this way.
Perfect solution.
So yeah, I'm not going to open it.
Yeah. But it's basically a coat closet.
Yeah, it's a coat closet and we have this for everyday coats, but
Yeah.
then we come into the bathroom.
Oh, look how lovely this bathroom is. It is gorgeous.
I took the glass surround out because my husband needs elbow room.
Oh, absolutely.
And besides that, I could put up a pretty shower curtain.
Yeah, and I love your wallpaper in here as well. It's such a nice design and it brightens things up beautifully.
Just my little decoration stuff.
Gorgeous. Angie's family was talking about how you have the green touches everywhere, and they just love that.
Yeah, I don't know why I chose green. I don't know. He hates green, but
but
he's perfectly fine with this.
Yeah.
I guess it's just the bright greens maybe that he doesn't like, but
right. Well, when you have plants and things like that.
Yes,
Yeah.
And I have plants everywhere at home.
Very attractive. Do you mind if we go in?
Go right ahead. Go into the bedroom.
Wow, look at this. It's just gorgeous. And this lovely wallpaper here as well.
Well, this had a sliding door, but it came off there. And so I put this up. Not that we'll need it, but sometimes if somebody spends the night.
So you swap the sliding door out for the accordion style. Yeah, that's terrific.
Yeah. And what else?
And then Jackie shared with me yesterday that she has her decorative pillows on the bed, and generally, where do we go with our pillows? We toss them on the floor. But she has this shelf up here, and so at night, her pillows just go right up there.
Oops.
Perfect solution.
And I hung that little boudoir light there.
Yeah, that's beautiful. I love
And
that.
my little fan. And
Oh,
then
that's
there's
great.
the closet. You can.
And then we have the closet here. It's genius. How I'd love to do that in my little truck camper, but there's no place for
and
it.
then I have a little shoe rack under the bed here.
Oh, wonderful. That's terrific.
Oh. And I swapped the toilet out because when we bought this, I did not notice that the toilet was the beige color.
Oh.
Why would they do that? The sink
Yeah.
is white. So anyway, we got the higher one.
Oh, okay.
You know, the handicap size.
Yeah.
And I did it myself.
Wow.
I want to put a vessel sink in here. I really want to, but
That would be beautiful.
I know.
I mean, this is beautiful
It
in
is.
itself, and the
Right.
countertop, it's
But
great.
I will make it a little bigger.
I see.
I'll come over to here and come out a little bit, and then there'll be a little more counter space inside the sink. So
Nice. And you painted all of the trim
Yeah,
and
painted
the
all
cabinets.
trim. Yep. Painted everything. Yeah.
It's beautiful.
We like it. It's our little home away from home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's great.
Trying to think. What else did I do? I love my pantry. I
Oh.
added an extra shelf in there because who doesn't need extra shelves? I
Absolutely.
put that one in there. So and I
Nice.
built this little spice rack thing.
Incredible. I wish I had the guts to do something like this, but I don't. It's amazing.
Yeah. I enjoy doing stuff like that.
Yeah.
I'm a very crafty person. Yeah. So.
Yeah. It takes a vision to be able to do that.
Yes. And I just kind of fly by whatever. So.
Yeah. Oh, that's so cool.
Okay.
Thank you, Jackie, for sharing your beautiful camper with us. All right, folks, join us next week as you'll find us back in Alaska. Sandy and I are going to take a cruise on the Lulabelle in Prince William Sound. All right, guys, as always, thank you for watching. God bless and have a great day.